Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to grab photo with filter. So if you want to see the picture with the filter before it's taken, you have to open your camera app, and once you're in photo mode, enroll more options. Here you will find the filter icon marker, and now you can smoothly see how your picture would look with particular filter. Let me pick, for example, black and white, which is monochrome, then grab a picture, and as you can see, it has been taken already with this picked filter. So this is it. You don't have to customize it after taking a picture, just before pick the proper one and then smoothly use it. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.